a very, very sweet and shy little girl. She is so sweet. This is a 9-year-old female Siberian Husky and German Shepherd mix, and I can't tell what's what here, but she's sort of like a variegated brown. She's got tan, she's got some dark brown. She is so sweet. Look how sweet this young lady is. She's just so cute. Let's get a picture of her. She's very shy too. She says, I don't want my picture taken. I don't want my picture taken. She's very cute. She's available for adoption. 9-year-old. Let's see, 9-year-old Siberian Husky and German Shepherd mix, female, and she is full grown. I would consider her to be a large dog, but not real large. She is just topping the medium scale, but she's ready for you. Come see her, you will love her. Bye-bye.